What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a well-designed website automatically using Antigravity. So let's get started. To create a well-designed website automatically, you'll need to download and install Antigravity first. Then after doing that, over here, we're going to choose a folder that would like to store our files. So here I'll click on open folder. And here we can create a new folder. Name the folder to website builder. Then I'll select the folder. And then here you can see the folder that we're going to store our files. Now I've gone ahead and created a file in our folder that I've renamed to Gemini.md file. All you have to just click on the file right here, give it a name, and then add these instructions over here that we like Antigravity to follow as it creates our website. So the instructions are website builder specifications. So we are telling Antigravity, design a complete website builder that builds a fully structured, production-ready business website from a single business input. The app must accept business name, industry, target audience, offer, goal, town, location, and call to action. Then generate brand positioning and value proposition. Create a sitemap with home, about, services, and contact. Build structured sections for each page. Include hero, problem, solution, offer, testimonials, call to action, and footer. Write persuasive, conversion-focused copy that matches the brand tone. Generate reusable components with clear hierarchy. Define a basic style system, including typography, colors, spacing, and buttons. Output clean, semantic, HTML with mobile responsive structure. And return structured, organized output ready for deployment. The workflow must run end-to-end inside Antigravity with structured data. Pass between nodes and no manual steps. Output must include brand strategy, sitemap pages, components, style system, and final HTML. The application must be scalable, deterministic, and production ready. Here, so we've included these instructions that we like Antigravity to follow as it creates our website. Right here. So here we can give it a prompt and ask it to generate our website for us. So here we can start by asking it if it can be able to locate this Gemini.md file from our folder. So we're asking it, can you locate the Gemini.md file in the website builder folder? Click on send right here. Let's see if it's going to locate this file right here. It has located the file. So because it has located the file, we can ask it using the file, generate for me a well-designed website for dental clinic services. Click on send right here. So you can begin process of generating for us the website. So you can see it's analyzing the Gemini.md file to get the instructions that we like for it to use and to generate for us a website. So here for the mode, we are choosing the fast mode. You can either choose the planning or the fast mode. So the planning mode, the agent plans before executing tasks. You can use this for deep research, complex tasks, and collaborative work. If you choose the fast mode, the agent executes tasks directly. You can use this to perform tasks that can be completed faster, like generating a website. So let's give it a minute or so for it to complete generating the website for us over here. So here you can see the agent successfully generated our website over here. Pick some of these images that it generated for us in Gemini, then included the images in our website, which is incredible. So here it proceeded to generate the website for us over here. Then I asked it to provide an actual link for me to open the website. So this is the link that we're going to use to open the website that it just generated for us over here. So I'll click this link to open it. Now, when we open our link, here you can see it even gave our dental clinic a name, Lumina Dental. This is amazing. And here's a beautiful website that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. Over here, you can click on the services, the about section, the testimonial section, then the book appointment section over here. This is a very incredible, perfect website that it just generated for us over here. And all we did is just tell it to generate for us a website for dental clinics, and it went ahead and generated this very beautiful website for us over here. This is amazing. Now, if you'd like to customize your website, or you'd like Antigravity to use a template as inspiration to generate the website, you can use a tool like Framer that has free website templates that you can use as inspiration for it to generate your website. So for example, if you wanted to get inspiration from, let's say, this template, you can open it right here to open and preview the template. So if we wanted to use this template as inspiration, you can copy the link of these templates and go back to Antigravity and instruct it to use these template as inspiration to regenerate our website again. Now, in Antigravity over here, we can tell it a great website. Now, I'd like you to use this template as inspiration to generate the website for me. Here is the link, and then we are pasting the link of the template over here. And I'm going to hit send for it to regenerate the website for us again. As you can see over here, as it's doing. Let's give it a minute or so for it to regenerate our website for us. So here you can see it's analyzing the templates. It's opening the template on the browser over here to analyze the template. So here you can see it successfully generated our website from this template that we instructed it over here automatically in less than 2 minutes. So now let us click this link to open the new website to preview it. When we open our link, here you can see the new website that it generated for us over here. This is totally different from what it had previously over here. It also omitted a couple of sections here, so we can include different sections like the pricing section. We can also include the FAQ section, testimonial section to our website over here. So let's go ahead and instruct Antigravity to include the 3 sections. So here we are telling Antigravity, I'd like you to include the FAQs, pricing, reason why you love us, and testimonial sections in the website. In the website just built, and then you click on send for you to include the different sections in our new website. So you can see generating our website. Let's give it a minute or two for it to complete including the sections in our website for us. Here I'll click on accept all. So here you can see it successfully added the 4 sections that we instructed it in our website. So now let's click this link right here to open our new website and preview it. Now, when we open our new updated website here, you can see it included the section that we instructed it over here. This is incredible. So here the FAQ section, the real results or testimonial section, pricing section, and the reason why you love us section over here. This is incredible. So we can also tell it to generate images and include very beautiful images in all the different sections in our website right here. So let's go ahead and do that. In Antigravity, we are telling it, great, now generate very beautiful brand-oriented images and add them to all the different relevant sections in our site. Here I'll click on send for it to generate the images and update our website with the images. Let's give it a second. You can see right here it's generating the images using Gemini. Right here. Give it a minute or so for it to complete generating the images and update our website with the images. Here, you can see it successfully generated the images and updated our website with the images. You can see over here, it generated an image for the hero section, for the why you love us section, and the signature section. This is incredible. So now let us click this link over here to open and preview our website. When I open our website here, you can see it included these amazing images over here. This is perfect. Very well optimized images, as you can see over here. This is awesome. Right here. This is incredible. So now if we wanted to include, let's say, like a certain section from another website I would like to use as inspiration, here I can open my own website to preview some sections. So from our website, we can include your path to real results section, the smart solutions to scale your business section. Also include the ready to get started section, and lastly, you can include the contact us section. So here I'll copy the link to my website and then go back to Antigravity and instruct it to include the 4 different sections in our dental clinic's website. So in Antigravity, we can instruct it and tell it, here's a website I'd like you to use its section as inspiration and include the section to our own website that we just created. Here's a link, and then the section that I would like you to include are the your power to resolve section, smart solutions to scale your business section, ready to get started section, and the contact us section. Click on send for you to get the sections that we would like to use as inspiration and include those sections to our own website. So it's opening a new Chrome tab to open the link to our website and preview the section that we just instructed it. So we basically duplicate to include in our own website. So let's give it a minute or so for it to complete analyzing our own website and include the section in our dental clinic website. Here you can see it successfully updated our website with the section that we instructed it to include. This is incredible. So now you can click this link over here to open it and preview the website that it just created for us over here. Now when we open our website here, you can see it included the different sections, why you love our sections, path to a perfect smile section, smart solution for superior health section, and the ready to get started section. So it also included the contact us section right here. This is incredible. This is really perfect. Here we can instruct Antigravity to add the pricing section, the real results section, and the common questions sections above the contact us section. To do that, in Antigravity, we can instruct it and tell it, great, now add the pricing, real results, and common question sections just above the contact us section or below the ready to experience Lumina section. And here I'll hit send. So let's give it a second for it to complete reorganizing all the different sections exactly how we want them. You can see it successfully reorganized our sections exactly how we wanted. For preview our website, I'll just click our link right here. When we open our link, here you can see the website with all the updated sections right here. So we wanted to include the common questions, real results, and the signature and pricing sections towards the end of the website. This is incredible. Here. So this is a beautiful, well-designed, professional website that we created in less than 10 minutes just by prompting Antigravity to create this website for us. As you can see over here, it's a very beautiful, well-designed website. This is an actual website that you can use actually selling your services. You can see even the question sections over here. This is amazing. The only thing that is left is deploying your website, so anybody and everybody can be able to access your website, maybe schedule a call or read more about the services that you offer. Right here. To deploy your website, you can use a tool like Vercel. It's an incredible tool that you can use to deploy and host your website. So to do that, just click on Start Deploying right here. After you've already created an account in Vercel, and then in Antigravity, you're going to have to download all the files that you use to create this website, and then upload the files to a repository in GitHub, and then copy the link of the repository and come and paste it right here and click on Continue to continue the process of deploying your website. Then after you're done, your website will be live, and anyone looking for your services can be able to access your website right here. This is incredible. This is incredible. We created this beautiful, well-designed and professional website for a dental clinic just by prompting Antigravity over here. You can choose to prompt Antigravity to generate a website for the services that you offer, and then continue to make any tweaks necessary until you have exactly what you're looking for. So that is how you can generate a well-designed professional website automatically using Antigravity. Thank you for watching. Now, if you'd like help setting up Antigravity or generating a professional, well-designed website for yourself or your business, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how you can set up Antigravity and generate a well-designed website automatically using Antigravity. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.